Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to try out some new products. I want to start off with saying Happy New Year. Hope your new year has been great so far. For this video, I did try out some Fishball Cosmetic products. I've heard from her through this other YouTube, and this is the look I created using those eyeshadows. I also bought new products like foundation products from Joah Cosmetics. Like I said, I did purchase some eyeshadows from Fishball Cosmetics. I'm gonna leave her link down below so you can check her out. She's a new company. She just started. She pretty much just has glitter eyeshadows and shimmer eyeshadows. I did pick up 6. I picked up 4 shimmers and then 2 glitters, and I used 2 of the 6 on my eyes today. She's very personalized. She hand wrote like a little note on there, and it says, "Thank you so much for your order. I've included my new product, Glitter Revive, free of charge. If your glitter seems to ever dry out, just rub some on your finger and then rub into the pressed glitter, and it's good as new. Remember to post pictures and tag me on IG at Fishball Cosmetics. Thank you so much." So the Glitter Revive, it's a little sample she sent me, and I'm kind of glad I got this because the blue, I felt like the blue was kind of drying out. It was like just like kind of much like everywhere. But I'm going to go ahead and show you swatches of all the eyeshadows I got. And this first one is Ballet Slipper. And it's that color right there, which is like a purple pink color. And I just swiped it once, and look how amazing that is. They're very pigmented. One is this color right here, and it's coral. And it's also like it looks like more like a rose gold. But I'm pretty much just swiping once, and look at that color right there. Oh, can you see it? There you go. It's like a rose gold type of color. The next eyeshadow, it is in the color Honey, and this is more like a gold tone. And I'm gonna show you. I'm only like just going like this with my finger, and they are super pigmented. Like, not gonna lie, they are really good. Color, it is this pumpkin, and this is more like a pink reddish color. And the next one is this blue color, and it's in the color Sky. This is one of the colors I used on my lids. I kind of used it as a base for my glitter one. The last one is Sapphire. And I did put some of that Glitter Revive, so it looks a lot better. So because it was I feel like it was kind of patchy, that's why I used Sky like under my lid. I really love how pigmented these colors are, especially this one. I can't wait to try this one, but pretty much all of them are really like amazing colors. This nude liquid highlighter, which it's really subtle. You can kind of see it more here. You just have to shake it a lot. I was kind of scared it wasn't gonna like really match my skin tone, but it's really good. I'm kind of scared of using liquid highlighters, kind of working on that. But anyways, those are the swatches on all of those eyeshadows. I'm really excited for all of these colors, and I think I'll probably just order some more when she has a lot more, but she's always posting on her Instagram that she's adding more colors, more glitters. So I'm really excited to try out more of her products and use them. But this is definitely the look I created. Other products that I did use were the Joah Truly Yours foundation, which is actually way too light on my face. Like, just way too light. You'll see on the video that it's too light. I feel like the The concealer is pretty much a good match, I feel like. But so far I'm liking the concealer. I've only used it 3 times, but I'll keep using it a little more. Just like with the powder, I wanted to try like a drugstore powder. I only have high end, so like I said, I've only used this 3 times as well, and I want to try it a little more and see how I like it. But so far those are the products, pretty much the new products I use on my face. Everything else is pretty much everything I've already owned and used in the past. Before we move on and see how I created this look, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, if you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you like these type of videos. But if you want to see how I got this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I already did this eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you in. There we go. And then I'm gonna prime my eye with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna use my finger and apply it all over my eyelid. For my crease, I'm going to use the color Adventurous in the Sienna palette. I'm going to take a shader brush and apply that on my crease. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take from that same Profusion palette, I'm going to take Cozy and I'm going to apply it just on my outer corner. Move on, I'm gonna go ahead and this e.l.f. glitter primer. I'm gonna set some on my hand. Go ahead and take a concealer brush and I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelid. If you hear dogs, I'm sorry, they are my neighbor's dogs. So for my eyeshadow, I did purchase some eyeshadows from Fishball Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this color Sky, and I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelid. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit more of the glue, and I'm gonna apply it more like on my crease, socket area. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit more of the e.l.f. glitter glue, and I'm going to apply it on top, because then we're gonna be applying this glitter shade to make it stand out more. I'm kind of using this blue as my base to that glitter stand out a little more. So I'm kind of gonna do the same thing. Kind of apply it where all the blue's at. With my finger, I'm gonna go ahead and take this blue glitter, and it's in the color Sapphire. I'm just gonna tap exactly where apply the glitter glue. So I did have a little bit of fallout, but it's glitter, so that's okay. I'm really liking how this is turning out. I was kind of scared because I don't really use that much color. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. Okay, so for my face, I'm gonna go ahead and actually also test out new products, and it's the Joah Truly Yours Natural Finish Foundation Drop. I got the color Natural Beige, and looking at it now, it might be too white for my face. And I also got the Truly Yours Full Coverage Concealer. I've actually tried this out, and I feel like this is pretty much close to my shade. And I also got the setting powder. I wanted to try a drugstore setting powder. This is the Selfie Ready by Joah, because I only have like high-end setting powders, and I just want to try more. And I've only tried this 2 times, and so far I like it. It's a very thin powder. I haven't really taken pictures with it to see if it has any backflash, but I'm gonna keep trying it and see how that works out. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and I'm gonna be using the ColourPop All Star Matte and Blur. I'll be applying that all over my face. Kind of set in on my face for a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna be taking my ColourPop Brow Gloss. Go ahead and do my foundation now that my eyebrows are done. So this is not my shade. Definitely not my shade. I look white. Well, I'm not gonna wear this, so I'm going to take it off because obviously this is way too light. That is way too light on my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my NYX Total Control foundation, and I know that's my shade, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take the concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into my eyes and finish. I'm gonna do a wing liner, and I'm gonna work on my waterline as well. For my bottom waterline, I'm going to go ahead and use pretty much the same colors I use on my top crease. So moving on to blush, I'm going to go ahead and take the Amazonian Clay blush in the color Party. For highlight, I'm going to also use from Fishball Cosmetics the new liquid highlighter, and this is nude liquid highlighter. I think that's the color of it. It says to shake very well, so I'm trying to shake it. Okay, so I'm not much of a liquid highlight type of person because it's really nice. For my lashes, I'm going to go ahead and take the Demi Wispy Lashes by Salon Perfect. And then for my lips, I'll be taking the Profusion lipstick in the color Kissable. Go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter.